I know it's early, but I gotta tell you guys about the toughest crossover that you can invest in. But first, let me ask you a question. Alright, so how would you feel if you're in the comfort of your car and then it was just taken away from you for no apparent reason? What would you do? If you're ever in Jamaica and you need to stay protected on the road while you're driving, you definitely need this for your daily commute. So by this, I'm talking about the Mitsubishi ASX crossover. And no, this is not a sponsored ad by Mitsubishi or any of its affiliates. So did you know that Mitsubishi actually manufactures aircrafts?
Mitsubishi Aircraft is rebranding its MRJ regional airliner family to underline planned improvements to performance and cabin comfort.
We have the tallest cabin, we have the widest passenger seat, and with the M100 aircraft, an improvement to the cabin experience.
That's a company called MAC, Mitsubishi Airline or Aircraft Company. It's a Japanese company that manufactures, develops, supports, and sells SpaceJet passenger aircrafts for Mitsubishi. But that's not a reason why I believe that you should purchase a Mitsubishi vehicle. Here's why. Now, that red vehicle that you see there, guys, that's the Mitsubishi ASX. And for a small, compact crossover, it can really take a pounding compared to the other vehicle that's shown in the photos. The Mitsubishi ASX can really take a beating. I mean, I was slammed in the back. It sent me off-road. I ran over some mounds of concrete and I was still safe. I'm still here. Luckily, nobody else was in the vehicle at the time. And I'm still here, still alive, still able to walk. And yeah, that's my reason for saying, yo, invest. If you're seeking a small, compact crossover, the Mitsubishi ASX is definitely one that you can count on. Alright, so going back to my initial question, guys, what would you do? How would you handle it if you were on the road, minding your own business, going about your daily activities, and then all of a sudden you were just rammed in the back? You were just hit off the road on your side of the road while making a turn. How would you handle it? What would you do? I've been away because I'm working on this new AutoVive website. Yo, you guys are going to love it. Back to the accident. I'm 2 minutes away from the beach. I live 2 minutes away from a beach, and I decided to just go across and do some drone shots. Now, this was literally a minute on the road. I'm on the soft shoulder. My turn signal to go left was on, and I only felt a massive push. I went over some cement mounds and the car eventually came to, a stop. I was wondering, yo, what the fuck happened? Is this the end of the world? Or, you know, was I just hit by a bomb? After a while, regained composure, got out, and I looked down the road and I saw this Toyota motor vehicle pretty much totaled. Now, at this point, I was afraid to look at my car because I was like, yo, if this Toyota is looking like this, I don't want to know what my car is looking like. But anyway, spun around, and this is what my car looked like after being hit in the back, after going over 2 to 3 mounds of hardened cement, because there's a construction site close by, so you know they dumped that off on the roadside. Don't know why, but my car going over a few of those, went here airborne. It came back down. The rear tire, one of the rear tire blew out. This is now what's left of the vehicle. It's pretty tough for a sub-compact or a compact SUV or a compact crossover. Remember, the ceiling of this vehicle is glass. I'm surprised that the rear windshield didn't shatter, but I mean, good job, Mitsubishi. Good job, you built a vehicle that is pretty tough. pretty tough little crossover. With this new Autovai website, if you have a vehicle that's for sale, or if you're searching for new vehicles, you can definitely search this website. It's gonna go live December the 13th. That's Friday, December the 13th. So you can check it out then. As you see on our homepage, you see a few other brands that's available. You can post from here. However, there's an all categories button both here and in the menu here. You can click both and it brings you to all the brands that are out there. If a particular brand that you own is not listed, yo, hit us up, send us an email, theautovive@gmail.com, and let us know. We'll just add it in. But from here, you can create a new post for a vehicle that you're selling, or you can search for vehicles in that brand, in that category that you desire. Videos will take you to our YouTube channel where you'll see all the videos that we've done and the ones to come. Also, in our add-on section, that's really special. For add-ons, we have different packages. So for shout out that you see listed, for shout out, we will call you. We will, have a quick dialogue with you over the phone. Ask you, has this vehicle been in any accidents? Has this vehicle, been damaged in any way? What's the service history like? And we'll create a quick little video and add it to the post for you. For a photo shoot, video shoot, that's clear cut. We'll come by, we'll do professional photos or do a professional videography shoot and post it to your ad. Now for a car review, our car review is pretty simple. We'll do a 2-minute video, and that entails going around the exterior of your vehicle and also the interior, show different features, different functions, and then create a 2-minute video, add it to your post, and it will help when persons call. They can go to that video and get details of the vehicle that you're selling. But as mentioned, if you have somebody who is searching for a new vehicle, they can definitely hit up the website as well. For our directory section, we have a directory section, and that's pretty special for us because it adds value to everyone. Now for a directory, if you have somebody that has a small business, a small side hustle, they have a mechanic, small mechanic business, they repair AC, they repair your transmission. Tell them to send their information to us, their contact number, their location, and a photograph or photographs of their business. We'll add it to this directory section and persons can easily and quickly find them. Now for our blog, for you writers out there who, you know, you love contributing, you can hit up the blog section with some information and we'll post it. Information that will help others. Information like, you know, going to the tax office, insurance, pretty much any detailed revolving around cars or automotive. Hit us up, we'll add it here. Now for posting your ad, it's pretty simple. You have different options here. You can see our featured post, free post, basic, standout, and these prices are introductory. If free post costs you nothing, so you can post on this site for 14 days and get your ad out there. And on this page as well, you see the different add-ons. So for a basic post, you can add on a photo shoot or a video shoot. It's pretty straight cut, pretty clear cut, pretty straightforward. So that's the AutoVive website, the new AutoVive website, and you go to theautovive.com. And remember, it's going to be going live Friday, December 13th. So if you have a friend, a family member, anyone you know who, you know, have a vehicle that, you know, they want to list, they want to put up for sale, hit them up and tell them to go to theautovive.com. They can be anywhere in the world. They can be in Jamaica, Trinidad, North America. They can post it here. So Friday, December the 13th, site goes live. Hit us up. Remember to follow, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. And if you know anybody who is interested, tell them to follow as well. Tell them to follow our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and, you know, search for this website. All right, so my question to you guys again, how would you handle it? What would you do? I mean, it's one of the worst times for some shit like this to happen. It's almost the festive season. Well, it is the festive season. It's almost Christmas. You're expecting a new baby girl. How are you gonna move from point A to point B? How are you gonna travel? In the event you have to take her mom to the doctor, at this point we still have to do our checkups. So you know, it's one of the worst times for something like this to happen. I would not wish it for anybody at this time. It's one of the worst situations you could possibly be in. And the insurance, as you know, is going to take a time. It's going to take their time in dealing with this whole issue. So possibly we're going to have to rent a vehicle. We're gonna be out of a vehicle for December, so if you guys want to help out, here's what you can do. Link us up at theautovive@gmail.com. If you have a vehicle that you're selling, I'll post it to the website before it goes live, and when it goes live, make sure you share it with a friend. Post your vehicle if you have one for sale, and that will definitely help us out for this Christmas. But I'll keep you guys posted on what's happening in another video. But yo, thank you for watching, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing, and make sure you check out the website, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and yo, as always, bless up on yourself.